We need to treat it as a language that we need to learn. So, what is this program? What is coding? What is this all about? To be in a very, very simple way, to put it across. Now, if I talk to you in English, you understand what I am talking. కానీ నేను తెలుగులో మాట్లాడినా తమిళ్లో మాట్లాడినా इलाटी मैं वेरे पेसी ना लो नहीं तो मैं हिंदी में बोलूँ तो भी आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा, correct? So you never really understand different languages, and similarly is the computer's case. So you need to talk in a language, you need to communicate with the computer in a language that the computer can understand. You need to give the computer instructions, commands, orders, sequence, what it has to do, when it has to do, and how it has to do it. And that is what programming or coding is all about. This is just a set of instructions that a computer can follow to complete a task. And now when the computer receives all the information, it's going to process it and then gives the output based on what commands we are given to the computer. So now everything has a sequence, an order, and how we follow steps, right? There are multiple stages in programming as well. Let us take this with an example. Let's just say I want to fly from Chennai, India to UK. So Andrew and I want to have a cup of coffee. So I'm going to fly all the way to Andrew, right? So first thing I got to do is I got a plan. So the plan is going to be, when am I going to meet Andrew? So I got to book my flight tickets. I got to get my visa done. So when I have all these done, my planning is complete. And then we come to the next phase, which is the writing phase. So what we do in the writing phase is, it's all about making it happen. So in this case, I'm going to go to the airport, board my flight, and the flight is going to take off, and then I'm going to land. So now I'm done with the writing phase. Then we come to the final phase, that is the testing and debugging. So what is this? Now I landed, but then I wanted to land in the London airport, but I realized that I've landed in a different airport. I've taken the wrong connecting flight. So something wrong has happened. So that I've identified in the testing and debugging phase. So what happens next? I go back to my planning phase. So which means now I got a plan. How do I go back to my original destination? Can I take a bus? Can I take a train? Or should I fly to my original airport? When I decide again, I'm going to buy my tickets and then I'm going to go back. I'm going to land at London and then meet Andrew. So similarly, when you start the code, you got a plan. What is it you want to do? What should be the output? You write your code, then you test the output. And if something is not right the way you intended it, then you go back, you change your plan, and then you go out with a new plan and you fix it. That is how the programming stages work.